Where's that missionary? There's a missionary that met me, a husband and a wife. Are they here? You gave me a pack of Bibles. Where are the Bibles? How long have you been a missionary?
Since 2006, sir.
2006, that's 17 years.
Yes, sir.
17. God bless you. Okay, you gave me the Bible. I want to be transparent. So those who don't have Bible, you give them yourself. You want the Bible to them. You know you don't have a Bible. How many are there? 32 Bibles. So open it. Open it. You don't have a Bible with you. I want the first 30 people around here. Come. Please give it to them. Go share it yourself. Give them yourself. They are missionaries. This is what they do from place to place, sharing the word of God. When God called people, a calling that has no sacrifice is not a calling. If you say God called you, I want to see the sacrifice of your calling. What have you left? Your comfort. You graduated from school. You left everything. You are now moving from town to town. From here, you are going to Ekpoma, right? Ekpoma to
Benin City also.
Benin. They move. They are based in Lagos, but they move around. I have something small for you. So, can I get the papers? It is not from me, it's from us. It's from us. Yeah. Keep doing the work of God. Continue the work of God. God bless you.